I'm Heather with WTI. I'm coming to you in a very dark room because I want to show you the INOVADAY blackout curtains. They're true blackout. They are thermal, insulated, and gorgeous as you can see. But let me kill the lights and let you see how room darkening they are. This is with no blinds. Just the curtains themselves are a true blackout experience. I have a little light on the bed so that you can still see me, but check out complete darkness from these curtains. Okay, we'll turn the lights back on, but I've never seen a curtain more blackout than these. I also hung some of my lighter weight curtains to show you the difference. They allow filtered light in, but these by INOVADAY allow for total darkness and a great night's sleep. My kids come in here completely disoriented. They have no idea where to go because it's totally dark in here. And I kind of like that. They are the perfect height. It's 108 inches for a nice amount of draping on the floor. They go well with linen. It's almost a velvety texture on the back, and it's a gray color. If you also need a great night's sleep and you need that total darkness, these are the perfect room darkening blackout curtains that I found. They've been ideal for us. That's my point of view.